As old as you are, you will never change. Oh, ancients of days, as old as you are, as old as you are, you will never change.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may I at this point respectfully invite a man who sets the pace in infrastructural development, the Governor of River State, His Excellency Yeso Wike, Commander of the Order of the Niger, Grand Service Star of River State, Life Venture.
We can bless you, yes, so we can bless you. We can bless you.
Your Excellency, the National Vice Chairman, South, who is our special guest of honor today, Chief Dan Obi, the Civil Service Star of River State, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, the Civil Service Star of River State, the former Deputy Speaker, House of Representatives, Chibudon Esama of Ebe, Deputy Distinguished Service of Rivers State, Distinguished Senator John Azotambata, former Senate President pro tempore, Distinguished Service Star of Rivers State, our dear Chairman of our party, Ambassador Desmond Akao, Distinguished Service Star of Rivers State, Chairman Rivers State Traditional Rulers Council, the Amenabong of Opopo, the Single Service Star of Rivers State, the Eze Pararabis, and members of your council and other traditional rulers of Rivers State that are here, particularly our Sergeant Chidi, I would say Newell Emowa, the Amangada of Rebs, the primary ruler of Lekahia community, our dear leaders that are here, the Mayor of Port Harcourt and members of your council, members of National Assembly, state assemblies that are here, Chairman of Port Harcourt, PDP, our dear beautiful women, and all the other traditional wrestlers, the Obody Club, and the members clubs of Lekahia that are here, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Rebis Meka. Rebis Dunsupan Meka. Alakazipan Meka. Anmeka. Equators about Meka. Anmeka. Neriama. Ma. Our National Vice Chairman, let me on behalf of the government and people of the state, most sincerely thank you for honoring our invitation to be a special guest of honor. You were supposed to have left yesterday, having been here to support us. But when we said, look, you are going to flag off this project, you had to set aside other things you were supposed to do in Edo State, and today to honor us, to flag off this project. Let me especially greet my very good brothers and friends, Professor Julius Ihombe, who was my lecturer at University of Port Harcourt, and today is a House of Reps member. As supervised, he was my lecturer, but when he was running for governorship, as supervised the primary, he failed. And you see the irony of this word. Somebody who taught you, you went and supervised the primary for him to fail. Prof, take it easy. That's how this word is. And then our dear brother, a friend, who incidentally his maternal home is from Lekahia here, Professor Eme Adibi, who has all been here to give us support. But let me say clearly that, you know, in politics, people are good in propaganda. I'm sure so many of you, people have told you I was not going to do anything for the Lekahia community. I'm sure. Most of them have run away to Abuja. They don't want to come and see the flag off. But let me commend Amangada, the primary ruler of Lekahia. Even when he was outside the country, he would send me text messages and say which day will be a Lekahia turn. And for me, that's what leadership is all about your own people. If others are benefiting, why will our own people not benefit? So I commend you. It's not as if it was a text message that made me to do it, but the fact that you are concerned about the development of your people is key. And people like Chima Boss, who is going to represent you in the House of Representatives, will always not allow me to sleep and to say, look, there is a gang of going on in my community that if the governor does not do anything for them, they will not support him. As a Chima, go tell them not to support you. That will not. I will do something when I know it is time to do something. It's not because pressure. Because if I award a job and there's no money, you say I've abandoned the project, is it not? It's worse. It's better don't even award the project than awarding it and abandoning it. And we have said that this project must be completed in 6 months' time. And we have mobilized the contractor. So, for me, it is like a home. I know Elikaya very, very well. All of you know me very well. That's why when I see the style of wrestling here, I just laugh. Very well. To be candid to you, there is no way in the entire ABC we will do all the entire roads and then abandon Elikaya. It's not possible. It's certainly not possible. So do away with these people who will never help. All they know is what will enter their own pocket. Follow those who are talking about the development of the community. So we're here today. And shame to those who have been carrying this rumor. I don't think they can face you again. Because when they come now, what will they tell you? You will tell them, but he said it will not be done. The thing is going on. Whether it's a 50 meters road or what, 28 roads in this community will change the entire community. Will change the entire community. And what is development all about? The economic activities here will improve. And so, I have told you, and let me now go back to where I come from. Mama Otabaga. I'm not to the last. And I'm a worker. As I'm going to match you watch it, but I like that. It's not possible. It's not possible at all. Honorable Moroge ka Anugamaga. Obu Oge Kanu onyo stop there. So thank him Delaka. No, the patient and show you the maturity and show you that look, does you over here that Oge Kaibiawa and Oge Kanu Bialam. Gorma so regara kananle. Anumano, you will get more rumeno, rumeto, rumularo, even though two. I go by your son, you know. Wike muru, you saw you know, a mamma some camble manabang, a bolo, or some woman wobble. Wake your more son, Obrama, Imukamu. Ablaya. Now, I was a pardon the horror. Then you have a brumbo, well as it. I won't we had. Taro. And I come on work out. Even if you don't have no children said the car. I don't know what you're right. All right? I'm not about it. But I almost a chineke today. You don't have one anybody called whatever Nigeria be could be quitted. But no wrong. No, Mama, what I have a guru. Mbom Oshigari getting back an hour about Chile University of La Mbra Nigeria gets a game about no di horror. And whether they quarrel, they quarrel, but no hay horror kuga. Unka number no, Egalagas no wrestle. Anogamaga. Egalagas no kini. Yahunai Abohoba. Yagadi Yaboto, Abono Bokuoka. So, Osi Biapana Nora Habanyachi Nigeria. Obla Yoros immediately. Because I'm Okuaka Abuno, Sichochi Nigeria, Yakadi Horoha, Ndapokeka Eze, Ndahanidia, Obla Dobemani Fort, Amenanu Fort, and China Water. Abanuchor Larat. I'm a part time. Ozinya carrying my book work at Nigeria. But Bomuna Yobu. Amamaga. Bomuna Yobu. So I was born in Nigeria. I like Master Pian. I told you, Yachoblaya. I blame the guy began about 1 hour base. They may improve their hotel. I have worker. I was may improve hotel. I will improve hotel. River State will improve hotel. I will Pierre Maya. Hakugoka now. Hakugoka Ndazi. No Quokka. And Nigeria Yezi. Ibo Kuoka in Nigeria Yezi. Others must not have no. Ihoha. Ndaha blame happy. Rivers. Ndaha blame her. So, anobody in the bogi kagariga. Anagamaga. Babu Kiri, bogi. Babu's in the bogi. Also have been one for us. Anagamaga. Governorship. I vote to the PDP. Anagamaga. Abla. House of Love. I got you my bombs. Abla. House of Assembly. I got Ogolomapa. Abla. Senate. All 1 year so year. Abla. Governor. Bonkwem. Abla. Yes, I would like to know but you have in there. I'm not a then you came back in Nigeria. Also, you're rushing your blood. Melembe. Your blood. What I can be done. You know, Abiawa. Akarano. Papa Abana. Iru. And Gamaga. The men are happy too. So, Padi Kulipa. I like him, I make people say. And come again. So also very, very important. And your water today. Happy work at Mula. Into me 2-star hotel, Black Walker. Into me, my woman event center, Black Walker. By the grace of God, many minister, many governor. Ndamo Pika Combra. Hamo Pika Brabuma. Open any home. Open River State, Oma. That's my concern today. Open and die each other. By the grace of God, really more than a law worker. No tuna more governor. No more minister. Many chairman. So that one will go. All damn Bramo wearing. But Amakabunu, anybody church in Nigeria must, Mary, remember that no.
Wike kumoka no no bese menkini elebanza.
So, Buburuman Gabaraga, Nala Abuja, Ankan Babaya Doro Abuja Babalaga, Ansukwaba, Ndayan influence. Ndayan who you carry a lesson, can have the Ahabla. None of them. As all the time, Maya Canova, Mazuri PDP, Mazuri Piso, Mazuri Lebo, Bohore Maya, and a Gamaga, Bohore Maya, and Macanova, and many you know, here and vote. And many you said, yeah, no vote. But I didn't many Aquana. So, I will in politics covering your velam or can I any story? And like I said, no, I will in that stage. So, Elka, Nkeleman, Ndaria, Nkeleman, and Bura Pagabacho Benano, answer as short as no, or Blanc abandoned project, member abandoned the project, making abandon the project. I don't. Say, once a lot, they made my word. And luckily again, the contractor is our own company, a local company of Laman, have been established for years. But no matter what happened. A class is a remibo. His class is a neka. His guy is a lady. The other is a Akpabu, Asa Umudoga. Ihuna, or Chichika, you know, has over 4 months. May make sure you don't have that impact. And Agamaga, may make sure you don't have that impact. Your masala, your children of Boba here, your son Boba here. Because animal natural man won't have Gaban make out. And make out. This is bad make out. And make out. Animal no blood wound this like you could hear more. And about our Buddha sugar, Mamma him. And Agamaga. So, as far as I get so far, this community is key to us. It's a community, when they say they will go with you, they will go with you. When they say they will not go with you, they will not go with you. So on that basis, let me invite you to talk to us and then flag off the construction of the 28 roads. Even if it is 1 meter per road, I don't mind. All the roads here must be motorable before I leave office. All the roads here must be motorable before I leave office. Hold me responsible. Anything is wrong, I can't number one. Do you understand me? But I can't know man. They can make a boogie. Monaba. No answer no more. Is it one number? No hojo be megasi. Ayaga che, Gabaruko, Oromayu, Akanabambra. Before space on Ubura Bemga. The body gas was up when they were on Columba yesterday. Better basically further. No, I can't put them out in the hotel, but no Kumanese Kupa, Beleman as well. Of course, him and Diamond come more to yellow book. Look at that one of Mokabambra. Special guest of all of that, they call flag of the road. And make out! And make out!
Let me see you. I'm a cow. I'm a cow. I'm a cow. Thank you. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Barrister Nyesom Ezenwo Wike, GSSRS, Life Bencher Governor of Rivers State. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Rivers State, in fact, the best Deputy Governor of any state in Nigeria. Permit me to humbly adopt already established protocols. Your Excellency, let me use this opportunity to appreciate you and the good people of Rivers State for extending this invitation to me as the special guest of honor to flag off the construction of Elekaya internal roads in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. I will not want to proceed without thanking the good people of Rivers State for giving us in the South-South, Governor Nyesom Wike, for giving Nigeria a song we are all proud of, Governor Nyesom Wike. Today in Nigeria, you have become a leading voice in our collective struggle for a better nation where equity and justice is respected. You have done well for the good people of Rivers State. Your Excellency, let me say that in the past few weeks, have been part of every program about the flagging off and commissioning of projects in different local governments in Rivers State. This indeed is unprecedented. Governments are elected under a presidential system of government for a tenure of 4 years. But in most cases, in their last years, they hardly do anything. But you have shown that you can end well and end strong as a performing governor of your state. Sir, let me say, in the past few weeks, honestly, I've been part of what you've been doing. You have shown that you are a true party man. At every occasion, you will acknowledge my presence as the national vice chairman of our great party, PDP. You will acknowledge the presence of our state chairman, the only ambassador, the chairman of a party in our state. What it shows clearly is that you mean well for PDP. We salute your courage. We salute what you've done for this party. You have shown clearly that you are a party man. You have shown clearly, unlike others, that we may have our differences, but within our party, you will stand and fight for what you believe in. God will bless you for us. Today in the South-South, you are a leading voice in what we believe in that should be in our country and our South-South zone. And we don't want to go further to speak too much, other than to say that I'm proud to be part of this invitation to commission the roads that will bring about development, expansion of economic activities in this very community in Rivers State. Many years ago, a great African reader and writer, a leader of Africa, wrote that the beautiful ones are not yet born. But I stand before the people of Elekaya to say the beautiful ones are born, but they are few. May God give us more people like Wike in Nigeria politics who will say what they believe in and fight for what they believe in. God bless Rivers State, God bless our dear governor, and God bless Nigeria.
Oh,